Now let me discuss the movements versus the shift in the demand curve. Sorry, in the supply curve. As we have already discussed the movements versus shift in the demand curve, now we are going to do the same for the supply curve. Now, firstly, let me talk about the movement. It's quite same as what was in the demand curve. Movement refers to the uh, uh, when supply changes with the change in price. Other factors remaining constant. So I have the curve like this. Now notice that in case of the movement we will not have any new curve. Any type of the movement will be shown on this curve only. Say for example we have a movement, we have this movement where it is increasing like this. So this is known as an expansion. So expansion will be with the increase in the price, and there can be another movement like this, and this is known as contraction. So it will be with the decrease in the price. No new curve will be formed. So the contraction is essentially, let me type it in green. It's actually the decrease, not a decrease. It's actually a movement down the supply curve, but on the same curve. Now let me talk about the shift in the supply curve. Let me first make up the supply curve. Say for example this is x, this is supply, and this is your y-axis, and this is price. Now this is the supply curve 1. Now shift in the supply curve means that when supply changes with change in other factors, price remaining constant. Now let me draw up two supply curves more. Now I have a supply curve 2 and I have a supply curve 3. Now consider scenario at this price, the price remaining constant. Now at this price, say for example this, at this price the supplier is going to supply sometimes more of the supply or less of the supply, depending upon the movement of the other factors. Now we essentially have three types of the supply here. Say for example supply 1, supply 2 and supply 3. So at the same price we have three types of the supply. It depends only upon how this movement of the other factors change the supply. So this type of a shift is known as increase in supply, and this shift is known as a decrease in supply. So when supply changes with the change in other factors, price remaining constant, we say it's known as a shift in the supply curve. Now this shift may be either an increase or a decrease, whereas in the movement will be then contraction, expansion, or a contraction.